In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Fireflies. We'll walk through this from start to finish so you can get Fireflies working inside your Slack workspace in just a few minutes. Fireflies is a meeting assistant that captures and shares notes, so connecting it to Slack makes it easier to receive recaps, search conversations, and collaborate with your team right where you already work. Start by opening app.slack.com in your web browser and sign in to the workspace where you want Fireflies to be available. Double check you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations, so the app gets installed in the right place. On the left-hand sidebar in Slack, click More. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first, and if you don't immediately see more, scroll down the list. The More menu groups additional Slack features that aren't pinned to your main sidebar. From there, click Tools. This opens a section that helps you discover features and integrations that extend Slack's capabilities. Next, click Apps. This takes you into Slack's app directory where you can find and add trusted apps for your workspace. The directory has a search bar at the top and curated categories below. In the search bar, type Fireflies and press Enter. You should see the Fireflies listing appear in the results. Open it to view the app details, including what it does and the permissions it needs. Reviewing this page is helpful to understand exactly how the app will interact with your workspace. Click Install. Depending on your workspace settings, Slack may prompt you to confirm the workspace or ask an administrator to approve the installation. If you see a request for approval message instead of a direct install, simply submit the request and wait for your admin to approve it. After installation begins, click Add to Slack. This button confirms that you want to connect Fireflies to your Slack workspace. You may be asked to review the permissions one more time. Go ahead and allow them to continue. To finish, sign into your Fireflies account when prompted. Use your existing Fireflies login so the app can link your Slack identity to your Fireflies workspace. Once you complete the sign-in, the connection is set. You'll know it worked when you see Fireflies listed under Apps in your Slack sidebar. From here, you can start using the integration to receive meeting summaries and collaborate on notes without leaving Slack. That's it. You've successfully connected Slack to Fireflies. If your workspace requires admin approval and you're waiting on that, everything will finish automatically once approved. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more streamlined workflow.